We are Adasoft Software Training Services. This is the tutorial for the beginners in Revit architecture software.
Hi guys, today we will discuss about how to export Revit files into AutoCAD and 3ds Max. First we shown how to export into AutoCAD. Using this export tool, you can export the selected views as DWG file. For that, here I am opening a Revit file. My requirement is need a 2D plan of this project in AutoCAD file format. For this, I am opening Plinth view. Come to the File menu. You can see Export option. In the drop-down list, select the CAD format and select DWG. Click on Next. Specify the file location to save. And here you can change the AutoCAD version you want to save. And click OK. Next requirement is need a 3D AutoCAD file of this project. For that, I am opening a 3D view in Revit and repeat the same steps. Now, we can see the exported DWG files open in AutoCAD program. This is the 2D plan we exported. Come to this layer box, we can see each family in Revit are automatically layered. For example, door family in door layer, bed family in furniture layer, and wall in wall layer. Next we can see 3D export view open in AutoCAD program. Next we learn how to export into 3ds Max. Go to File menu and select Export. From the drop-down menu, select FBX. FBX files are supported in 3ds Max. This option is only active in 3D view. This is disabled in floor plan, ceiling plan, etc. Select the location you want to save. Here we can change the FBX version you want to save. Now you can see the exported FBX file open in 3ds Max program. Thanks for watching this video.